Using resources wisely. Watering and saving. The objective of our project is to save water and other natural resources by encouraging people to use resources wisely. Natural resources are materials provided by the earth that humans can use to make more complex and human-made products. An example of an important resource is soil. Many things we use in our daily life rely on this natural resource. Besides, healthy soil is very important for agriculture and forestry. Topsoil has a lot of organic matter and nutrients, and if it is managed properly, it can be renewable. But if it's mismanaged, it can be damaged or lost. Healthy soil takes a lot to form, but it can be lost very quickly, and losing fertile soil can have a severe impact on the environment. The atmosphere's quality has a direct effect on health. It provides the oxygen we breathe and the greenhouse gases that are carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor that regulate global temperature. When atmosphere gets affected because of pollution and its quality is reduced, respiratory illnesses such as asthma are made worse, skin diseases increase, and climate patterns may be affected. What causes poor air quality are industrial processes and the burning of fossil fuels. Those activities release several kinds of pollutants. Common forms of air pollution include smoke, acid rain, and particulates. Another primordial resource and the central topic of our project is water. Humans depend on water in many ways. The main uses of water are in agriculture, industry, and for domestic uses.
Our proposal is to make a filter with cheap materials that are easy to obtain and create a filtration system. The purpose is to make society aware of the importance of learning how to use natural resources wisely and encourage them to make the most of the water through a filtration system, since this is very absent in our society and it is really important to learn how to reuse it.
Our project has to do with the chemistry by the pH of the water, since the water of the detergent has a pH of 6.5 to 8, but when the detergent passes through the filter, this pH of the water decreases and becomes a pH of 6.8. Our project has to do with biology by the recycling of the water.
There are so many uses of water. Usually, they are used in agriculture. This is the most common, but also it is used in industry and domestic use. Domestic use is the less used, but it also wastes lots and lots of water, like the washing machine. One of these ones wastes from 40 to 45 gallons. We investigated the ideal level of the pH, the hardness, and the chlorine. The pH is from 6.5 to 8. The hardness less than 400 milligrams per liter, and chlorine 0.2 milligrams per liter. The filtered water has 7.8 the pH, 1000 of hardness, and 0 of chlorine. After the first filter, the pH was 8.4, the hardness 500, and the chlorine 0.1. And after the second filter, the pH was 6.8, the hardness 250, and the chlorine 1.
The materials that we use in this project are sand, rocks, charcoal, cotton, gauze, Coca-Cola bottles, 6 stop cooks, and water we soak from the washer.
The model's functioning is very simple. From bottom to top, we put a layer of gases, then a layer of sea sand, then a layer of rocks, and finally, a layer of activated charcoal. This way, the water will go all the way through these materials and be completely clean at the end. The benefit we get from this practice is that we save from 40 to 48 gallons of water, and that's a lot of water. And we know that a lot of people is not going to take a time to do this practice, but just think. If we do this like twice a month, we help a lot of planets.